Did you know a single medical technician's courage saved over 200 people from fake cancer treatments? Jimena worked at a cancer center, reading patient scans every day, but something felt terribly wrong. She kept seeing perfectly healthy scans being labeled as aggressive cancer. Families were crying over diagnoses that weren't real. People were spending their life savings on chemotherapy they didn't need. When Jimena tried to speak up, her bosses offered her a promotion to stay quiet. When she refused, they threatened to fire her and destroy her career, but Jimena couldn't watch innocent people suffer, so she started secretly copying the real scans next to the fake reports. She recorded doctors admitting to the fraud. She discovered over 200 healthy patients had been told they were dying. Her evidence sparked a federal investigation. The corrupt doctors got over 20 years in prison. Jimena received federal protection and became a medical fraud specialist for the FBI. One person's integrity saved hundreds of lives and launched an entirely new career. Sometimes doing what's right opens doors you never imagined.